Hello, we're at 4810 Garnet in the beautiful jewel box area. So this is from the outside backyard. It's great for entertaining. We have a little deck here. It's a 2-story home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it's a great Capitola area, very desirable. Not far off from the Esplanade, which is Capitola Village. So we have this beautiful gourmet kitchen. Great appliances. Over that way is the entryway and living room. Gas range. Nice recessed lighting. Looking back into the kitchen. So now we're about to enter looks like the family room. So we have 2 River Rock fireplaces that's overlooking this great, well-established backyard. We have bougainvillea, looks like hydrangeas, ivy over here. It's just beautiful. Recessed lighting. Nice molding on the floor with fresh paint, it looks like, light gray. Lots of storage space here. Look at that. Okay, so let's go. Then we're in the hallway. This is the half bath. That's downstairs. This is the garage. And okay, now we're in the hallway. This is the entryway, big, beautiful bay window that overlooks Garnet. And Garnet is a part in the jewel box area. Very popular, very desirable. Isn't that cute? Rose bushes in the front, big deck, nice porch. The River Rock fireplace and high voltage ceilings. Isn't that nice? So let's go upstairs. This is the first bedroom. Second bedroom, lots of light. Bathroom, full bath with a shower over the tub. Natural light, linoleum flooring. And here we're entering the ensuite, master suite. Lots of closet space. Plantation shutters. Nice fan. A lot of natural light. We've got the nice popular barn door here that leads into a tasteful shower. Nice bath, shower. Double sink. Lots of natural light. Bathroom again. All right, and this is the view from upstairs. So if you're interested in seeing this property yourself, let me know. I'm here and happy to help you out and teach you about Capitola.